Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Zaxby'S Chicken and Wings app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Zaxby'S is a fast food restaurant app designed to make ordering your favorite chicken, sandwiches, wings, and salads easier than ever. The app allows you to browse the full menu, customize your order, and choose between pickup or delivery. It also features the Zax Rewardz loyalty program, where you can earn points on every purchase and redeem them for free food and exclusive offers. Available on both iOS and Android, the app offers a clean design and smooth navigation for a fast ordering experience. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its quick ordering system, easy customization options, and the rewards program that adds extra value to frequent visits. Notifications for deals and limited-time items also keep users engaged. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users mention occasional app crashes, delayed order updates, or issues applying reward points during checkout. Additionally, delivery options may vary depending on your location. In summary, the Zaxby'S app may be worth using if you're a fan of their menu and want to earn rewards, order ahead, and access exclusive offers with ease. However, if you prefer traditional in-store ordering or live in areas with limited delivery coverage, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.